Singsang Taytay Leho. I am Fidelisa Igos, born on February 25, 1981, 45 years old, from Agusan del Sur, Philippines. I am single parent and blessed with two children, age 25 and 15 years old. I am college undergraduate and I like cleaning, cooking, taking good care of kids. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 1 month, from September 2012 to October 2014. I serve elderly couple aged 67 and 65 years old. I work as a domestic helper in UAE for 2 years and 11 months, from January 2023 and to December 2025. I serve 13 years old child with special needs.
Hello, Ms. Fadeliza Egos. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the service that they need, especially when it comes to child.
Okay, so what if the parents of your employer always finding mistakes to our work? What will you do?
Sir, I will focus to my work and do my best to improve it.
Okay, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time and check if their clothes is wet and always keep it safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hands and look at right and left before crossing.
All right, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet, feed the baby on time, and give her medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that it can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call. I need to call and inform to the employer or the parents and call the doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I badly need this job. It will help to me to grow as a person. It will be a big help for my family and promise to do my duties responsible and I will finish my contract.
All right, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Fadeliza Egos, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.